and welcome to today's video. Today I have a really fun, I always say fun, but it kind of is fun because we're gonna get it done. So a really fun clean with me. So I hope you're ready to get something organized and clean. Let's get started. Hey everyone, so I'm back. I know I've been gone for a little bit and we've had a lot of changes happening around our home and our family. We got a new house, so we're actually moved. So this is the last video that you'll see in our condo. The last 2 months we were trying to find a new home. It was very difficult in our current market where we live. We got a new home and then we had a lot of work to do. We still have an incredible amount of work to do. Things have just been feeling crazy. David changed jobs. Oh my word, that's all I can say. But we're gonna make it. One day we will finish our projects in this house. So I will do some new videos in this new house. It feels good to make a new video. I want to make videos weekly again. I'm going to try. We're just still getting into things in this new house, so I hope everyone else is well as well. We are doing well otherwise. It's good to be here. I'm excited to release this video today, and let's do what we came here to do and get some cleaning motivation in. Christmas is coming soon. Can you believe it? We're actually going to go to South Africa, not for Christmas, but probably January, February. I'm very excited about that. We need to finish planning all of that, but that's coming up. Is anyone else doing something very fun coming up in the Christmas time? Are you going away? You're going to get to see some family? Let me know. I was honestly getting really lazy with cleaning close to moving time because I knew everything I was cleaning was just going to have to be redone perfectly for our renters. Cleaning windows and stuff happened, and then fingerprints happened right after. So I started getting really bad with some extra cleaning things. We love our new home. It's great. As I said, it needs a lot of work. We've done some work already. David actually scraped all the popcorn ceilings, and we managed to paint almost all of it, and we did most of the flooring. Some projects that we are going to be doing, hopefully this next year, is the kitchen. That's our number one probably big project. We have some smaller things to do, electrical stuff, lighting, that we can hopefully do quite soon. We would love to do the bathrooms as well. Next year, when springtime comes, we will work in the garden and on the yard. So we're not going to worry about that till springtime because it's going to snow here anyway, very soon. We have quite a long winter here in Colorado and we have snow, so we're not going to worry about the yard until springtime. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm kind of tired now and I was just racing to get everything done. Yeah, I'm really glad that we got it all done, and now my house is going to be clean for tomorrow. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you also managed to get something done. Let me know if you want to see specific videos, and thank you so much for watching today, and we will see you next time. Bye.